జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. Like that, Rama, when he asked all the animals, those animals immediately looking at Rama and looking at the sky, because Ravana took Sita in the same path in the sky. Those animals were looking at the sky and running towards south side. While running towards south, those animals again and again looking at Rama, telling him that this is the path, Sita is taken away. That kind of act of those animals was noticed by Lakshmana. He observed it and saying to Rama, "Oh Rama, look at those animals. When you asked, those animals started running towards south. That means if we also go in that same direction, either we will get to see Sita or we will get an idea how to search for Sita. We will get some kind of resource over there. That is why let both of us travel in this same direction which is being shown by these animals." Like that, now Lakshmana directing Ramachandra Swami. Ramachandra Swami started asking all the animals about Sita. Then all the animals started running towards the south side while looking at Rama. Then Lakshmana says, "Oh Rama, when you asked, all these animals started running towards southern side. That means maybe Sita is there. So let both of us go towards that side." When Lakshmana said like that, Rama also said, "Come on, let us go." Then both of them, Rama Lakshmana, started walking towards southern side while searching for Sita Devi. Both brothers started speaking to each other while searching for Sita Devi. On their way, Vasundharayam patitam pushpamargam apasyatam. The entire path was filled up with so many flowers. When Rama has seen those flowers, he started again remembering all the memories of Sita Devi and started sharing those memories to Lakshmana, saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, these are the flowers. When I pluck and bring it to Sita, Sita used to decorate all these flowers to her hair very beautifully." Like that, he remembers Sita and again cries. And also Rama says that, "Lakshmana, maybe Bhumata and Surya, Vayudeva, all these devatas may be consoling me by showing these flowers." Like that, Rama said to Lakshmana and looked at those mountains which are filled up with beautiful waterfalls. And he started asking those mountains, "Oh Parvatarajama, Kachidrushta Sarvanga Sundari, oh my dear mountain, did you get to see my beautiful Sita here?" Again, immediately, instantly, Rama got angry and again saying that, "Oh my dear mountain, if you do not show me my Sita, yavat sanoni sarvani nate vidvamsayami aham, I am going to destroy you entirely. Oh mountain, if you do not show me my Sita, mama banagni nirdagdho bhasmi bhuto bhavishyasi, with the fire which comes out from my arrows, I am going to burn you into ashes. Oh mountain, I will also make sure no more trees, no more grass will be on you, so that nobody will be coming and staying even for a moment on you. Like that, you would not be any more qualified for any persons to stay on you. Like that I will do." While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.